ahead.
Hey, I just wanted to call and tell you a little story of what happened to me at my workplace. I had gotten some good news. I was sitting at my desk, and I had gotten some good news that one of my family members had come through a surgery okay. And I had looked at some of my coworkers, and I said, thank you, Jesus. And I got called down to the main office.
Of where?
Because the main office of my company, to the HR department.
Who's the company?
I prefer not to say.
Okay.
Because
so they'll be able to get away with it. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. So I got called down to the HR, and my accuser was standing there in front of me. He said that he was offended, and he was Muslim. So they gave me a verbal warning, and I said, that's not right. I says, he's offended by what I said, and I was just thanking my God for what he had done. They said, you cannot do that. You have offended him, so you're going to get a verbal warning. I said, well, he's wearing his little turban thing on the top. I said, and that is something that he does for his religion. I'm taking offense to that. And he said, no. He says, this is not part of my religion. This is part of my wardrobe. And he looked at the HR manager and then told the HR manager that he considered it a hostile work environment. And I got a written warning with 3 days off behind it.
And you're so mad about it that you won't name the company. Bully for you. They'll do it to the next guy. How far will they have to push you till you stand up and call them out for it? Because they'd stop, because enough Americans would speak out.
What do you think of a person who only does the bare minimum?
The Michael Derry Show.
How about a good old-fashioned Texas whipping? How's that?
It's radio with flair.